The Waring WSG30 Professional Electric Spice Grinder is a specialty grinder that will finely grind spices in seconds. With a 19,000 RPM commercial-grade motor, the stainless steel blades are built for daily use. A stainless steel exterior adds to the grinder's durability, and the upper housing interlock system prevents accidental injury. A pulse function manages the consistency of the grind. This spice grinder also includes 3 removable stainless steel grinding bowls with storage lids. To purchase your next Waring product, call an account manager toll-free at 1-877-877-4379 or visit us online, www.foodservicewarehouse.com.